but not composite. We got to make sure she's flat.
We have no way of making sure that she is flat.
Yeah, mate.
We're just gonna send it.
You got the Milwaukee and the flappy disc.
Matt always has like the dodgy part. Just 22 pounds. Yeah, look at what 9 pound did to the head gasket in the old motor.
Nothing happened. I don't know what you're talking about. You didn't send it hard enough.
Matt,
Oh wait, no, I need the flappy. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot.
you could lick that.
I want to see you lick it.
Hold on, lick it in a minute.
How's it taste?
This is such a backyard job doing it this way.
But the head's been machined before though.
If you want to ever buy a clean GQ Patrol, the best way to do it is buy a Maverick.
Yep, I agree.
Because Mavericks, for some reason, are all owned by some 80-year-old dude that's still got the sheepskin covers on the seats. He's only driven in the country, it's got 400,000 Ks in it, but it's been babied,
Mate,
serviced.
that is exactly what I just bought.
Every Maverick.
And it had the sheepskin. Remember that, Nate?
Yeah,
it did.
Maverick owners, for some reason, that's just how it was. That's what they did.
I never take this bloody off-road.
Patrol owners, though,
Yeah.
They lift them 5 inches, 6 inches, put 37s on it, bro.
Well, mate, you're the Patrol owner. We are Maverick owners.
So I'm basically better than you.
well, no, we're the high class.
No, we are the high class with electric windows.
Yeah.
That's all
You
we've
know
got.
what I mean? Where it's like, you all think you're better than me.
Yeah.
There's just GQ Patrol. Yeah, that's it.
That's what it's supposed to look like?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it kind of looks the same. How many runs do you reckon we'll get down the drag strip?
None.
I reckon we'll get down the whole thing.
That's clean. That's all right. There's nothing wrong with that.
As long as you don't exit
squeaky
the
noise.
finish line sideways, I'm happy.
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks about 3 degrees.
Should be right.
In the old arm gauge.
The teeth gaps are pretty big. You know if it's not right on
Yeah.
a timing chain.
Yeah, totally.
See how it stalls out there? for a
Yeah.
sec there? That's top dead center.
Ready?
Pretty sure it'll be.
Yeah, I know.
Ready?
I'm scared.
Are you nervous? You should be.
Go to you. Yep.
Is she on the locating pins?
Yeah. Or you're not. Because if you scratch the locating pin or if you scratch the gasket.
Yeah, if it doesn't seat properly, it's all over Red Rover.
Unless, oh, you can do it and I'll tell you the pattern.
There will be a pattern. Do you know the pattern now?
No, I got to get the book. I'll read it out to Matt.
Just keeps going.
Yeah, no.
No,
just keep going.
I'm just tightening them a little bit.
Bro, they are matty tight. Matty finger tight.
Matty finger ties.
Matty finger tight. That's all that matters. You could just put 22 pounds through this with matty finger tight.
Have you seen what 9 pound done to that engine out there?
Just flashback to that moment.
And that was that.
Took me way too long to get that on the hole.
You're going past 40 as well. This one.
Did you click the button?
Yeah, no, I kept the button closed there. And open.
Then this one and then that one.
Cause I'm not. Do 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 do.
2 chains.
Oh, okay. I was gonna sing a different song, but anyway,
What are you gonna sing?
don't worry about it.
No, go for it. I wanna hear
Cause I
it.
might just break the chain. Wait, that's not how the song goes. Like, what's he talking about? This guy's on drugs.
Don't put Loctite on this or anything?
We might actually.
Read the book.
Quick. knows it was in for.
It's already crying. Tea time.
Have a look at it coming out of the breather.
Wow, doesn't spin too good. That's because it's China.
That's what it used to do.
Oh, hang on. I'm excited for tomorrow. A good night's sleep and a big day of work tomorrow. Strip this apart, see what went wrong actually,